Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google account is active on the device and the Google Photos app is installed. This ensures backups go to the right account. Once done, make sure you have Wi-Fi or sufficient mobile data and at least 20% battery because uploads can be large. Open your gallery app, find the album or photo you want to back up, and select it. This first action moves you from setup into the actual backup flow and prepares the item for transfer. Now you pick the items. Long press one photo to enter selection mode and tap additional images or an entire album. Selecting multiple files reduces repeated steps. Next, tap the share icon and choose Google Photos from the share targets. This tells the system to send files directly to Photos. Make sure you confirm upload quality settings because original keeps full resolution while high quality saves space. Once confirmed, the upload begins and you can monitor progress in Google Photos so you know when it's complete. Finish by opening Google Photos and navigating to Library or Backups to verify the photos arrived. This confirms successful transfer and proper album placement. If items are missing, refresh the app, check backup settings, and confirm you haven't exceeded your storage quota. Then retry the share. If uploads fail repeatedly, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, and ensure Google Photos has storage and network permissions. That sequence resolves most permission and sync glitches quickly, so your gallery photos appear safely in the cloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.